Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download and install Temple Run 2 on your iOS device. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and connect your mobile device to a stable internet connection. Now open up your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in Temple Run 2. Once you look for the application, go ahead and pick this one over here from Imangi Studios and then tap on the Get or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the app gets downloaded, which will take a while depending upon your internet speed. And once the app is downloaded, you will see the Open button, which you should press on in order to start playing the game. And that's how you can easily download the Temple Run 2 application on your mobile device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Temple Run 2 tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.